I'm Christopher Stankus with Jackite, and here I have the American Bald Eagle. You want to take the cap off on the end and realize that there were staples holding that in, and you don't want to make sure that you don't get cut by those staples. In the tube you'll find a fiberglass rod, fishing feet for the eagle, instruction sheets with some parts, and an eagle in a liner sheet. Okay, I'm going to roll out that eagle. Okay. And the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put the rod across the wings. So I take the rod, I take the tip, and I find the rod holder. And there's two slots. I open that up and I put the rod through. I put the rod through the ring. I put the rod through the other rod holder. Okay. And then into the rod pocket. Okay. Now, I come over to the other side, and I put the other end of the rod into the other rod pocket. I lay it on its back, and you will see that it has two-face tape on the body. I want to peel that two-face tape. A little bit more of a challenge. Peel that two-face tape. Peel the last one. That really does not want to come apart today. Goes. Okay. Now, I'm going to line up the bodies and press them together. So I'm taking that beak, and I'm lining up the beak and the body side by side, and that two-face tape will keep it together. Okay. The next thing I want to do is attach the eagle fishing feet. Okay, let's get a little bit of curl out of him so it goes on easy. Okay, there's a part packet on your instruction sheet. I'm going to open that up. Okay, now there's a male snap and a female snap. I'm going to take this male snap and, oh, I forgot one thing, is if you open up your swivel, you can punch out the holes on the feet. Makes it easier to put that snap in. Punch out the hole on the other foot. Look on the body. Punch the hole there. Oh, and that one's already punched. Now, I take the male snap, and on the inside of the leg, I push it through. I find the female side to it, and I snap that on the inside of the body. On the inside of the body. I find my other male snap and my female. And I put the male snap through the hole at the leg. Spill out on me. Through the hole at the leg. Then I put it through the hole in the body. I put my female snap on. There you go. Now, I just want to make him look nice a little bit. for my fish. I also, if I'm gonna fly it off of a pole like a windsock, there is a hole in the beak, and you attach the swivel there. Now, being that it's made of Tyvek, it will not tear, okay? Now, one important feature of this kite is how it flies and why it's patented. And you want to roll the leading edge of the wing over the rod, because when the wind brushes against it, just like an airplane, it will create a vacuum on the back of the wing and lift. So let's do it to the other side. And Tyvek has a memory. So when I'm rolling it over, you can see that it gains that memory of rolling over. Now if you want to fly it like a kite, there's a hole in the breast right here. That's where you want to attach the swivel when you're using 100 or 300 feet of line, and the kite will fly higher up in the sky. This is for my friend Ted Bassnight, my buddy, and he wanted one of these birds, and so this is Ted's Jackite American Bald Eagle. Thank you.